Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp notifications not working. First, go to your phone settings and then search for apps and then go to WhatsApp. Next, click on WhatsApp and make sure that the notifications are on for WhatsApp or you've enabled them. Next, open the WhatsApp settings in the app. Go to WhatsApp, click on your profile in the bottom right corner and then check whether you have turn notifications on in the app or not. Make sure to enable it if you've not. Then make sure that do not disturb mode is turned off. Also allow WhatsApp to run in the background and disable battery optimization for the app. Next, restart your phone and send a test message to check notifications. Make sure to update the app to the latest version. Go to App Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure to update the app. That's how you fix WhatsApp notifications not working. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.